So this morning, the big guys and the big ladies in the content creation family, they came to the house to see me. Do you know what they came with? They came with a sachet of Indomie noodles and they came with eggs. The beautiful lady in the midst prepared the Indomie noodles. We enjoyed it, and then one person didn't come on time. That was Slim Papa Jago, the black guy with the black face, with the white teeth and with the white teeth and the black hair. Okay, so after we have done shooting one or two movies, we're about to step out one by one. That's me, Slim Papa Jago. That's Slim Papa Jago. That is Sweet Okombo. That's Love Boy. And this is Ponzi. Okay, LFE, Laugh.
That's my boy, you.
Ponzi.
That's me.
Okay, now we are about to step out to eat bitter fufu. Omo. Oh yeah, now let's step out. Let's bounce. See the soldiers in the building. This Lab Boy. This Slim Pack Ajabo. Slim Pack. Follow him on Facebook. Slim Pack. Follow
on Facebook. Sweet
Funny Comedy. Sweet Funny Comedy. Let's go.
Yeah, this is Promzy. Follow me on Facebook. Promise Promzy. Instagram Sopuruchi Promzy. Instagram Sopuruchi Promise. Facebook Promise Promzy. TikTok Sugar Promzy TV. And YouTube is
Promzy
669.
Okay.
YouTube Sweet
Let me know.
No
Sweet
reason.
Okombo. TikTok Sweet Okombo.
No reason on me. Let's go.
That is my. That is
Yeah. Okay. So now we left the house. We are stepping out. He locked the door.
Yes.
He jammed the door.
Yes.
He put the key.
Yes.
He broke the door. He broke the door. He broke again. He walked forward.
Yes.
I follow him for back.
Yes.
We walk out.
We walk.
We walk in
We
style.
walk.
We do a shagara. Yes, so.
Yes.
We opened the gate.
Yes.
She stepped out.
Yes.
Sweet Okombo followed him.
Yes.
I followed them. We all gathered outside.
Pizza.
We start moving.
Pizza.
We do shagara.
Pizza.
And then we start walking.
Yes.
She was shaking bum bum.
Yes.
He was also carrying one luggage.
Yes.
This one is coming back from the village. Going back to Cotonou. From here, he's going back to Ghana. Aquaba boy. This one carries one yellow nylon. We are walking forward. Look at the street. It was raining. Because it was raining, everywhere na patapata. TikTok, patapata. Facebook, patapata. YouTube, patapata. The street was very, very patapata. We don't need to tell you the state that we are in Ghana. We are in Ghana region now, one of the Ghana region. So we don't know how to speak Twi in Ghana. So our trip to Ghana was successful. We really enjoyed the trip. Me, I enjoy one food. There's one food in Ghana that I love. It is called that Ghana food. Kai, I just forgot the name of that food in Ghana. Tuo. They say it's called tuo.
God, let's go.
We ate tuo in Ghana. She really enjoyed the tour. So she loves Ghana. This is the street in Ghana. The street in Ghana is not that. Ghanaian, you people, they yap Nigeria, say Nigeria road, no they that. This is the road in Ghana. Even Ghana no that their road. Look at, now later now, okay, now look at them there. They are enjoying their life. If you are in Nigeria, okay, look at she dancing. That is she dancing. they go down. They go. Hey, see them dancing. I say Ghana is interesting. Hey, Nigerians, you guys are missing out. Oh, oh, look at them. Do you know why they are dancing? They want to go and eat tuwo. All of them love tuwo. But Ghanaians, let us tell you this, nothing but the gospel truth. Nigeria jollof rice is still the best.
Yes, Nigeria jollof rice is still number one in the whole of Africa.